Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
So what we looked at right now is called the type 1 problems. This type of problem where they just give you 1 or 2 sentences and they expect you to solve the problem. The second type is this type where they give you an elaborate family structure and then they ask you one simple question out of it. Okay, so read the problem. So the first step in solving this type of problem is to just use the initials. So Raman will just become R, Lakshmi would just become L, and so on. Okay. So step 1 is you start with anybody, but in this case it starts with Raman, right? Because Raman lives in a family and Raman's father and so on. Raman's house is called this, named after Raman's grandmother. So it's good to start with Raman. Okay. So if you were to start with Raman and his father V and mother L, we established the relationship for V and K because they've given us a relationship for Vardhan, which is V, and K is the only brother. Okay, so when I show you the diagram, this will be clear. Do you see this? This is Vardhan, V, this is K Krishnan, and this is Raman. Okay, from the problem. So we have Raman's father Vardhan has only one brother Krishnan who is not married. Lakshmi is Vardhan's wife. Where's Lakshmi? Here. Vardhan's wife. Here they've shown this, but ideally I would say follow a double line. Okay. This is also fine. It doesn't really it doesn't matter. But ideally if you had this going down like this, it would be better. Vardhan is married to Lakshmi. And what else do we have? Parvati is Lakshmi's mother. She lives with Lakshmi. Raman's house is called Girija Krupa, named after Raman's grandmother. So Girija will not be Lakshmi's mother. We already have Parvati as Lakshmi's mother. So Girija will be Vardhan's and Krishnan's mother. Is this clear to everyone? Do you see this? They've brought in this character called Parvati, who is Lakshmi's mother. Lakshmi is Raman's mother. So for Raman, Parvati is one grandmother and Girija is the second grandmother. This is on his maternal side, this on the paternal side. Clear? Okay. So Girija has one granddaughter, Shanta, and two grandsons, one of whom this. Now, Girija's grandson, Raman, is, what's his relationship to all these people? That is what you have to figure out. This is Parvati, Lakshmi's mother. Girija is grandmother to Raman. Krishnan and Vardhan are her sons. Okay. So the question is asking you, where is it? Girija's grandson, Raman, is Lakshmi's cousin? No, it's Lakshmi's son. Vardhan's brother? No, Vardhan's son. Krishnan's nephew? Yes. And
Yes.
Parvati's niece? No, Parvati's grandson. Okay. So Krishnan's nephew would be the right answer in that case. This Krishnan's nephew. Okay. This is a type 2 problem. Type 3, we have symbols. Okay. Now here, this is very interesting. What they do is they give you certain symbols. So plus means father.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Now who's father? Because we know there are two-way relationships, right? So here, whatever comes on the left, if it is A plus B, that means A is the father of B. B's gender is not known. A's gender is known. Is this clear? When you have a symbol showing like this, they tell you the left and the right. The person on the left gender is defined by giving the father relationship. Similarly, A minus B means A is the wife. Immediately the relationship changes. So I have A minus B means A is the wife. A is the wife of B. So obviously B will be the husband. Okay. We use only traditional family systems in these examinations. Okay. There are various types of families, but in these type of exams, they accept only the traditional form of families. So A, the wife of B, signifies the genders. A into B. Here we have this. What this means is A is the brother of B. Again, I only know the gender of A because A brother B means I know A's gender. This could be a sister or a brother. Is everyone clear how the symbols signify the relationship? Yes? No?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. A, B, if they give you something like this, in this question they haven't, but if they did, then that would mean A is the daughter of B. Again, the gender changes, A daughter of B. B's gender is not known. I know A is the daughter. So when they give you this kind of a problem, it might seem complicated to someone who doesn't know, okay? But you guys, you're learning, so just see. S, I have plus. What does plus mean? What does plus signify? Father. So I will write this first in English. S father T. X means what? Brother, right? Of U. Plus means father again of Z. If I were to put this in a pictorial form, what does this mean? S is the father of T, who is the brother of U, and U is the father of Z. Do you see the genders, how they came about? Right. Now they're asking you which of the following is true. S is the daughter of U? No. Z the aunt? No. S the aunt of Z? Is she the aunt? No. It's a man, right? S is the father. T is the uncle of Z? Yes. Is everyone clear how we did this problem?
Yes, ma'am.
She's speaking for the class, okay? That's what I am assuming here. So if anyone has a doubt, just speak up and say, ma'am, can you go about it again or something, and then I'll do it. But when they give you this type of problem, it's quite simple because you just have to identify what the symbol means and therefore what the gender is assigned. Okay, it's very important. And this is the answer. Let's do one more. Try this on your own. At least give it a shot, okay?
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Just for this portion, give me the genders, L and M and all that. One of you. What is L percentage M? So what is the gender of L and what is
Male.
the...
Both
Okay.
are male.
Are you sure? Remember, L...
M is male.
Yes, M is male. M is the brother of L. So I
Sister.
know that, yes, it could be brother also. L could be brother
Okay, okay.
or sister, okay? But I know for sure M's gender can be Done. So here they've slightly changed it. They've put L percentage M, and they say M is the brother. So they're giving us the gender for the second term. Similarly, LXM means L is the mother of M. Whose gender do I know in this?
L.
L. Yeah, she is the mother of M. L divided M means L is the sister of M. L sister M. So remember, when you make these diagrams also, the generation should be maintained. Okay, here mother, L mother of M, I've put L above M, whereas when they're sisters, they're in the same generation, siblings. L equals M means M is the father of L. So I put M father of L. Which of the following means B is the nephew of Q? So firstly, do what we did. We made that into symbols into English. So Q percentage J means J is the brother of Q, and J equals B means B is the father of J. Correct? From this, J equals B means the second term B is the father of J. Everyone clear on this? I have B's gender, I don't have J, and I don't have, sorry, I have J. J is the brother of Q. B, nephew of Q, I don't get from the first one. Try the second one.
Is the answer the second one?
Yes, answer is the second one. Q sister. So we have second one, Q is the sister of M. I have Q's gender. And M is the mother of B. So I have M mother of B. And B percentage J means J is the brother. Okay, B percentage J means J is the brother. So B the nephew of Q. Again here B's gender is not really known, but if you look at the third one also, it doesn't solve our issue. So we'll take 2 to be the answer. Okay, ideally if this question said J percentage B, it would have made our life easier by making B male. Okay.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.